riders on the storm.
Port Control Batangas, Port Control Batangas. This motor vessel Burgundy, how do you read me? Over.
Burgundy, this is Port Control Batangas. I read you loud and clear. Change to channel 12.
Port Control Batangas, changing to General 12, over.
Motor vessel Burgundy, this is Port Control Batangas. What is your ETA at pilot station? Over.
Port Control Batangas, my ETA at pilot station is 0800 hour local time.
Burgundy, what is your call sign? Over.
Port Control Batangas, this is motor vessel Burgundy. My call sign is 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3, over.
Burgundy, what is your gross tonnage? Over.
Port Control Batangas, my gross tonnage is 23210 MT.
Burgundy, how many person is on board?
Port Control Batangas, this is motor Burgundy. We have 3-4 person on board.
Burgundy, do you carry any dangerous goods? Over.
Port Control Batangas, yes, 25 liters of IMDG Class 3.
Burgundy, your message is understood. You must call when you pass Verde Island on channel 12. Over.
Port Control Batangas, this is motor vessel Burgundy. May we will call you after we pass Verde Island on channel 12, over.
Burgundy, standby channel 12. Over.
Port Control Batangas, we will stand by channel 12, over and out.